Howdy everybody. So this is I think it's the Narihira. So this is supposed to be a red bamboo. And in previous videos, I kind of showed how we divided it. So as you can see down here, how it's half. Well, this is the other half. And so what I'm going to do right now is kind of tidy it up. So I think I'm going to thin it out a little and then trim these lower leaves up a little higher just to give it some, so you can see the base and so it's not so bushy looking. And I'm going to try it out on this one first, see if I don't screw things up. So I'll check back in a second. Let's have a look here at the characteristics of a running bamboo. So actually, since it's been cut, looks like there's a couple new shoots that popped up. This one and this one. And maybe this one, I don't know. But, so, here's the base of it. And you can see this one here. That's what the runner looks like. So I guess originally this was kind of underground. And you see how it goes all the way this way. So all of this is a bunch of these just all tangled around like a mat spaghetti. And then you can see all the little roots. So these runners just shoot out and they kind of curl around, and then whatever space they decide to throw up a comb or stalk, and then we get all this. Right. Okay, here's the after. So this is all it took down. And here's how it looks now. So the idea was to keep the taller ones and some of the newer ones that look like will be tall. I kind of took out some of the earlier growth that was stunted, not stunted, but as big as it was going to get. So I got all these little shoots coming up. It's pretty new. This is actually, it looks old, but at the base it's got a new one. See there, and there's a new one back there. So there's some stuff coming up, and so this is the runner that I was pointing out earlier. So if you look at the end, it's got all these shoots coming up. Well, not all. I guess they're not all from the same. So that's from the same runner. This and these, I expect great things from them. And as you can see towards the bottom half, as I cleared it out, and because I think these are probably as mature as they're going to get. And they bunch, look at that, how it's all real dense right here. So it's creating a mass where as the columns are coming up, they're sort of moving out of the way of the mass. So I think it's, aesthetically, you want to keep them all straight and going vertical. But once they hit that mass of leaves, then they kind of start to curve on their own. So we'll see if they straighten up now that there's a little more space. And feeling pretty good about this, so I might go do the other one now. Let's see, I'll check in later. Here's the results. So I can't really say I have a plan or a rhyme or reasons why I did what I did. But basically, like I said, I cleared all the little branches up to about eye level and pruned out some of the redundant little crap. It was kind of sort of just cluttering up the bottom here, because they like this one's perfect. I left this one, I don't know why, but this is as big as it's going to get. It's not going to do anything else, but I figure it might be necessary for, you know, nutrients, photosynthesis. Maybe, I think they grab moisture from the air, I'm not sure, but anyways, so I left one or two of those, and the rest, like this one is probably as big as it's going to get. But up here, I kind of, as you can see how dense these little growths are, so I cut on a lot of them. I just went up and just grabbed the side and cut it just to thin it out, make some more space, and that's it. Let's see how it does. See the bottom. This one really didn't have that many new shoots, not like the other one down there. So, and over here is the tropical black, which is also a runner, and you can see where, same thing, the division. The other half is right there, and so far this half has not thrown anything new up. As you can see, they call it tropical black because it turns black. And it's supposed to, this one is, if it was in the ground, it's supposed to get maybe that big in diameter. And I don't think it's going to do that in a pot, but I'm too afraid to put it in the ground, at least it run off and just take over my yard. But these are pretty old. They're 2-3 years old, and that's it. That is it. That's all it's done. I guess this is pretty new. You can see how brilliant green it is compared to this. Oh, this was dead. Or this one. So it's more yellow, but it's turning black. It's getting black spots. And like I said, this is supposed to turn red, like a burgundy or something, but has yet to get anywhere near that. All right, well, that's my pruning adventure for today. Thanks for watching.